MSN tokens. Meron tayo dito 117. Equivalent niya as of recording this video is nasa 353 in USDT. Late ko lang siya guys na claim kasi medyo busy din tayo still here sa province. And yeah, check natin dito guys yung pinaka details. Binigyan ko to ng perspective, ideas before sa ating YouTube channel. So like, punta muna tayo dito. Ayun, 12 days ago. Ito. So ito yung video na iyon. If napanood nyo to, you get some ideas dito kung paano nag-work. So it's a different project ito. So pwede nyong panoorin din ito. Punta din tayo dito sa pinaka Spark lines and the price niya guys, no. So as of now, nasa 2.89 in USDT. So discuss natin yan maya-maya. Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So, for now, andito tayo ngayon sa price action nitong pinaka-pair ni MSN. Sa USDT pair siya. And as we observe, ito yung pinaka-spark lines niya guys. No? So, like, if we just change this one, nagkaroon siya nagpagbaba ng presyo. I think due to some airdrop, yung mga naka-claim ng airdrop will tend to sell their holdings, taking profits kasi it's free lang yun guys, no? So we can see some drawdowns dito sa price action nitong si MSN. Other factors pa dyan, if ever man na naka-receive yung like venture capitals, so they will just maybe sell their holdings. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. It's just my own opinion dito, and hopefully you get some ideas. And if you have questions, feel free to ask lang dito sa ating comment section, no? So for now, punta muna tayo dito sa 2 hours guys, no? So 2 hours time frame, as we observe price going down. Let's update dito yung pinaka settings ng candles natin. So like candles lang. So yung pinaka-update naman na ito guys, punta lang kayo sa kanilang Twitter. Andito naman yung pinaka-official announcements guys, no. So like ito, Mesa Network, meron silang 400,041 followers. Ayan. So like 6 hours ago, meron ditong pinaka-update guys. Ito yung official links guys, no. Mag-ingat sa mga phishing links. So you can just visit itong official X account nila dito guys. And dito naman yung mga details, no. Maybe I'll add na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. And para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online dito guys, no. So, nung pag-list is umabot pa ng like 9.9, no. Almost hit yung 10 USDT. So like if we have 317 tapos sabihin na lang natin kahit 8 USDT, we have 936 USDT dito guys na free natin nakuha, no. So like this is more or less 50k in PHP. So not bad, this is free. And yun, listed na siya dito guys, no. If we observe as well, ang daming mga exchanges na rin dito na listed itong price action, itong si Mesa Network guys, no. Ayan. So under siya ng Deepen ecosystem. Makikita natin yan dito sa tags. So ito yung categories niya. So like under Deepen guys, no. So it's a decentralized physical infrastructure network na tinatawag. So kasama niya dyan si Render, ayan, Filecoin, at marami pang iba dito guys, no. So ito yung isa sa mga shinare natin before. Pwede nyo panoorin ito guys. Hope you get some updates dito, ideas. And that's it for today guys. You can just check this MSN sa application na ito. Lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung official link para mapuntahan nyo. And yeah, that's it for today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.